When is a sports car truly a sports car? When it's designed by race engineers. When all key technologies are proven on the track. When car and driver work as one. Mastering such a car calls for more than just a passion for racing. It also requires discipline and respect. To appreciate the power of this racing machine demands nothing less than total commitment. The new 911 GT3. The racing origins of the new 911 GT3 are immediately and stylishly apparent. The new front apron has been aerodynamically refined to allow a better flow of air to the front brake units and central engine radiator. A narrow air outlet ahead of the front lid allows warm air from the radiator to exit the nose. As the air flows upwards over the body of the car, it helps to generate downforce. The biplane rear wing is fully adjustable for individual circuit characteristics. The lower wing surface has a special rubber spoiler known as a gurney flap, which also generates downforce. As a result, the car does not produce lift, just pure downforce front and rear, in perfect aerodynamic balance. This in turn provides increased grip and directional stability, as well as greater active safety.
Let's take the car on the track and test the new aerodynamic package.
Das werden wir jetzt mal testen.
The water-cooled six-cylinder boxer engine has a 3.6-liter displacement. It is currently the most powerful naturally aspirated engine in a standard production Porsche. Maximum output is 415 brake horsepower. That's 305 kilowatts at 7,600 RPM. Maximum torque of 405 Newton meters is available from 5,500 RPM. The specific power output is more than 115 brake horsepower per liter of engine capacity. This is achieved with a maximum rev limit of 8,400 RPM. From a standard start, the car can accelerate to 62 miles per hour in as little as 4.3 seconds. In appropriate conditions, the maximum speed is 193 miles per hour. The new 911 GT3 is equipped with VarioCam variable valve timing. The inlet camshafts are adjusted to enhance performance over changing speeds and loads for smoother running, excellent fuel economy, lower exhaust emissions, and greater performance. Dry sump lubrication ensures consistent oil delivery to all parts of the engine, even when exposed to extreme gravitational loads. The intake manifold with two resonance valves is combined with a standard sports exhaust system, featuring two centrally mounted tailpipes to maximize cylinder charging and throughput rates. Engine performance is significantly enhanced over much of the engine speed range.
The power of the engine is truly incredible. You really have to get a feel for it.
The 6-speed manual gearbox is specifically designed for higher racing loads. The gear shift throw is short and remarkably precise. A limited slip differential applies a greater proportion of drive torque to the loaded outer rear wheel when accelerating out of a corner. The results: increased traction and precision handling. The differential has an asymmetrical lock factor, which means that the left and right rear wheels have a differing torque split, depending on whether power is being applied or not. The chassis components on the new 911 GT3 feature lightweight design and materials. The resulting reduction in unsprung weight improves the handling of the car. A number of setup options are available for the track, including ride height, camber, toe angle, and front and rear anti-roll bars. The chassis delivers incredibly precise feedback. It's like being in direct contact with the road. The new 911 GT3 is equipped as standard with Porsche Active Suspension Management, PASM. This active damping system offers continuous adjustment of individual damping forces based on current road conditions and driving style. The driver can choose between two setup modes, normal and sport. Normal is designed for general road driving and relatively uneven track surfaces. Sport provides a stiffer suspension setup for smoother, more modern circuits. There's a significant difference between the two suspension setup modes. Let's see what else the chassis has to offer. The new 911 GT3 is now equipped with traction control. TC is standard. The system is designed to eliminate wheel spin under full acceleration, which would otherwise destabilize the rear of the car. The standard trigger threshold is purposely so high that it is rarely exceeded during normal road driving in dry weather. The trigger threshold is raised higher still when sport mode is selected, using the button on the center console. The system can also be fully disabled for maximum driver involvement. The 19-inch GT3 alloy wheels feature lightweight construction and road-approved high-performance tires. This combination enables faster cornering with precision handling and turn-in. Tire pressure monitoring is available as optional equipment. The variable ratio steering is sensitive and direct, offering excellent precision and feedback from the road. The chassis, wheels, and steering systems constantly provide a direct connection with the surface of the track. The new 911 GT3 has a powerful braking system with a specially adapted brake booster. The standard steel discs have a generous diameter of 350 millimeters at both front and rear. All four discs are internally vented and cross-drilled, ensuring optimum performance in the wet. The brake spoiler elements have been further enhanced to improve ventilation and cooling. The racing origins of the 911 GT3 are particularly apparent under braking. The ultimate brake technology available on a standard production Porsche is the optional Porsche Ceramic Composite Brake. Known as PCCB, this high-performance system is run by every competitor in the Porsche Michelin Super Cup. The key advantage is a total weight saving over equivalent metal discs of approximately 50%. This enormous reduction in unsprung and rotating mass offers significant benefits in terms of road holding, handling, and agility. An additional advantage of PCCB is its exceptional fade resistance. The full-size front airbags feature two-stage inflation, where the size of the deployed airbag is dependent on the force of the accident. Porsche Side Impact Protection, POSIT for short, uses head and thorax airbags as well as door protection beams to shield the head and upper body area. The Club Sport package, available as a no-cost option, offers added protection for track day and competition use. The all-new interior is specifically designed for the unique demands of competition and track day use. New features include an upshift light on the central rev counter dial. An arrow is illuminated when an upward gear shift is required. The standard sports seat features stiffened upholstery and an integral thorax airbag. The generous side bolsters provide excellent support when cornering. Alternatively, you can choose one of two seat options. Adaptive sport seats featuring electrically adjustable side bolsters on backrest and squab, or lightweight bucket seats in carbon fiber derived from the Carrera GT. Good seat design is extremely important. The driver's body receives detailed feedback from both the car and the road beneath him. Other useful options for track day use include the Chrono Package and Chrono Package Plus. The Chrono Package is available with a CDR24 audio system and includes a swivel-mounted analog and digital timer on the dashboard. The Chrono Package Plus is only available in conjunction with the optional Porsche Communication Management, PCM. In addition to the dashboard timer, it features a performance display in PCM, which can be used to view, store, and analyze lap times. The new 911 GT3 demands more from the driver. After all, its origin is in motorsport. In spite of its obvious track capability, the new 911 GT3 fully complies with our exacting environmental standards. More than 85% of components can be recycled, for example, while intelligent use of lightweight design ensures modest fuel consumption. The new 911 GT3 is the product of one supreme objective: to apply everything we've learned about race engineering to inspire as never before. The new 911 GT3. Origin Motorsport.